Hello, this is Ian and Jim with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-10T-UP-PKG-SHRT package production uptimer. So how it works is the diffused photoreflective sensor detects the object, which starts the uptimer. And once there's no longer any objects in front of the sensor, it will pause the uptimer and the user can utilize their big red button to reset the time while it's paused. So I'm going to have Jim take over here, and he's going to showcase the functions of this uptimer, and he's also going to showcase the hardware side of it as well.
Okay, thanks Ian. So this is a 1-inch display, and it counts up tenths, hundredths, and seconds, and then it'll shift over once it gets above seconds, 59 seconds. So what we have is a 40 millimeter palm switch for our zero reset, 25-foot cord, and it's connected to a terminal block inside, and I'll show you that here in a minute. And then we also have a PNP sensor. It's a short range, thus the title and the product code is SHRT for short. So anything less than 12 inches it detects, and I'm showing you that right now. And I'm showing you the functionality too, that once there is a box or an item in front of the sensor, it will keep that time and accumulate if you don't reset it. Now you can't reset it right now. It's waiting for it to be the box to move out of the way, or package, or my hand for now, and then now you can reset it. All the connections are made inside on the back cover. This is all modular, so you can unplug the front of the timer and separate that so you can mount your box, your back portion of your box, to a wall or some kind of structure. You can enter your cables from the right or the left. We include an entry insulator for your cabling. We have a terminal block for your PNP sensor, and it's color coded. You can just match the colors up from the wiring to the colors that are on the terminal block. We also have an ID stating what each color does. And then we have terminal block for the reset switch, and that's on terminal number 2 here. So it doesn't matter which wire you put there, either one is fine. We usually put black as minus. This is all aluminum enclosure. Like I said earlier, it was modular, so you can unplug it. And then we have a 2.1 coaxial cable, power cable connector on the side, and then that just plugs into your 110 wall adapter. And then this is just a 1-inch red display, 7-segment display, all aluminum enclosure. You can view it up to 50 feet away, so it's really meant for close viewing. And then the reset switch comes in a electrical handy box with a stainless steel cover. We do have it designated as zero reset, and then we put a 25-foot cord on it with a cable gland. But the operation is when an object is in front of the sensor and then moved away, it stops, and you can accumulate the time, or you can just reset it every time after the box has moved out of the way. We also include with the sensor a bracket, so you can mount the sensor in a location that's convenient for you.
So again, this is Ian and Jim with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-10T-UP-PKG-SHRT package production tracking uptimer. Thanks for watching.